One is the slime matter, slime doesn't matter.
Really?
Yes.
So you're playing with the slime, Roohani?
Yes.
Okay, so these are the slimes. Which one are you going to open first? This one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open that one.
Ah! No slime. Open, Daddy, please. Can you?
Do you want to open?
You open.
No.
Open all of them inside here. Please open here.
Remove. There. Why don't you touch? You wanted a slime. I didn't wanted a slime.
Can you remove it all of
Okay,
here?
do nicely with your finger.
I don't know.
Put your finger in. How does it feel?
Good.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Why are you making faces?
Daddy, can you open all of these in here?
Open all of these.
Here.
How? Why should I open? Just put your finger in like this, see?
But you have to open all of in the plate. And then you have to put it all of here.
Okay.
Daddy.
There you go. There you go. I'm doing it.
Daddy.
Are you listening to me?
Daddy.
Yes. You think that's going to come out? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, looks like it's going to come out. And 4.
Oh.
Yeah.
You try.
I try?
Yes.
How does it feel?
Now open this one.
How does it feel?
Now open this one. Open this one.
Yeah.
Now open this one.
Okay, we'll open that one now.
And the one. The pink one. I mean the yellow one.
So is that the yellow one?
Yeah.
That's the yellow one. This is, what color is this?
Green.
Okay, and what color is that?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Pink.
All right. Let's open the other two. What?
Photos enough.
Enough? Okay, sorry. All right, let's open the green one. Okay, there you go. Okay. Can you open this for me, please?
A second.
Yeah, just pull like that. And there you go.
Oh.
And now put your hand in there. Look. Yep, and put your finger in there like that. Look. Put your finger in there like that. And more like that. Yucky, slimy. Yeah, now boom, another one. Yeah, there you go. You have a green color one then. Hey, no mixing.
But you have to mix because it's yellow and green.
Yeah, but no mixing, keeping them separate, okay? Yeah, they all smell the same.
Now let's open the
Separate.
Open
Separate.
Open the pink one. The pink one.
All right, time to open the pink one now. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to open? Oh, this one looks very full.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's full. It's just a layer on top.
The bubble.
So wait. First you have to, what do you have to do? You have to first,
Rub it.
yeah, just make sure they, make way for the slime to be able to just drop down. Okay, now try. Boombi. Doombi. Boombi. Doombi. Doombi. There you go.
Yeah.
Get another one. Awesome.
Now let's play together.
Awesome.
Bus, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
Give me the phone, please.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I'm done with the recording.
I'm done with the recording.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.